This 2009 Yamaha YZF-C R1 is a fantastic machine. It's powered by the addictive 998cc cross-plane crankshaft engine, a technology derived from MotoGP, giving it a distinctive V8-like exhaust note. It's in good condition, garage kept, and has 26,000 miles. Are you interested in specific features?
Tell me about the power.
The power is incredible. That 998cc crossplane crankshaft engine is famous for its linear torque delivery, which makes it a blast to ride, as Ramon even mentioned. It's truly a MotoGP derived technology that you can feel on the road. Are you looking for something with high performance?
Wow, what is this?